Here is a video of an exterior frame installation. We are enclosing 15 large screen windows on his sun porch that never had windows, only screens. So, our 1/4-inch thick acrylic lenses will have to do all the work on insulating these windows, so that the homeowner can keep this room warm for winter use. Regular glass storm windows would never have the insulating value of our 1/4-inch acrylics. In the summer, the homeowner will simply flip up all 4 sides of the frame to remove the lenses to reveal the screens. Total time of installation was 4.5 hours, and the client was very pleased.